channel. And for those who are new here, I am very thankful for all of you. And please join me in unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November 2019. So, let's go ahead and open this. When you open it, you'll see Discover Yourself, and this is what's in the box. And I see a card. Okay. Now for this month's theme is Wild Side. Okay. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. Okay, so the inside tells you what's in the box, and it's good that I'm seeing the value of each item. So, the first one here is this one, and I can't remember what did I choose for this month, but I think this is the product that I choose for the customization, and this is the Mirrored Skin Perfecting Lotion. Okay, when you apply Mirrored products, you know they really work. Founded by Dr. Howard Murad, they use high-performance technologies to target your skin concerns. Made with honey extract, this hydration lotion soothes redness. Tip: every day after cleansing and toning, massage moisturizer evenly over your face, neck, and chest. For optimal results, follow with a facial sunscreen during the day. So, this is 50 ml. And this is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer. Okay. And this one retails for $40. Now again, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size products. And just this one is $40. So you get over, like, you already get the value of the box plus more, right? Okay, so the next one that I'm seeing here is, oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is the Gigi Gorgeous, the Silk Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Tint Plus Extra. Okay, this is so nice. The packaging is really pretty. And that's the color of the bottom of the box and the top. Okay, now I need some help with taking this up. Ooh, let's check this thing. This is so beautiful. The packaging is matte. It's really nice. And the shade is lovely. That is the shade. Very beautiful. I am not gonna swatch it though, because I give some to others, so I don't want to swatch it. Okay, until I finally decide to use it. So this one retails for $24. Okay. The next one that I'm seeing here is, what is this? This is the Punk from Douche Punk Volumizer Douce Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. Now again, I am not gonna open this, but this is how it looks like. Okay, And the packaging is really nice. That's what it is. Come on, focus. Here you go. And this one retails for $24. I don't like opening the mascaras because I have a lot right now. And they tend to dry up when you open them. Okay. Now, the next one that I'm seeing here is, this is from Seraphim Botanicals, Happy Hibiscus. And this is a blush palette. And this one retails for, wow, $48. Okay. Oh, it's sealed. Let's open this thing. My September box hasn't arrived yet still. So, I don't know it's where it's now. Okay, so it's the same thing. And this is beautiful. There is no mirror. And these are the shades. They are so nice. So the hibiscus, why is it called creamy rose when it looks like more brown? Okay, so that's the hibiscus. It says creamy rose. And then this one is the petal, and it says silky pink, and dewdrop, and the harvest, which is golden nude. This one I can use, but the rest I'm not sure though. Maybe I might use it for something else. Maybe like use it in the eyes. Who knows, right? But the others are too dark, so oh well. And this one again retails for $48. What is this? 99% natural, without mineral oil, without, I don't know how to read this, phthalates, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and without parabens, vegan, GMO-free, and gluten-free. And it says not tested on animals. That is good to know. Okay, so this is our fourth one here in the box. And it's good that they put it in this bubble wrap. Okay. Oh, then this one is from Ilamasqua, and this is the Hydro Veil Primer. Okay. Now let's see what this one is. And this one is valued at $45. It says Ilamasqua. And made in Thailand. Okay. Ooh. Oh, there's like a spoon. Should I open this? I need to open this. How do you open this? Oops. Oh, okay. Huh, that's weird. Is it black? No, it's not. It's clear. It's just because the container is black, that's why it looks black inside. Okay. There's some kind of a scent. It smells good, but I can't really describe the scent. Now this one is good to have. I like this one. And I am seeing two more products in here, and I think these are my add-ons. I should have... Oh, wait a minute. The bag is in the bottom, so this is the bag. It's like that. And where is the Ipsy thing? Oh, it says Ipsy here. I can't really see that. There's nothing in the inside, just brown. There you go. And there it is. So that's the bag. And I have two. Okay, this one, I think I had something happened to my previous box, and I was offered, I don't remember anymore but they offered me that my next box I will get a free, I don't remember what that was. Like, it's if I purchase a $3 add-on, I'll get one more product for free. So I got these 2 items, and this one is from the Delectable, and this is the Butter Palm. Okay, this is the Butter Balm hand cream. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not gonna open this because I have like 3 hand creams open right now. And I have this Hola Neon lipstick in Call Me. And should I open this? It's sealed though. How do you open this? Okay. Oh boy, it's a tinted lip balm. Okay. Can you see there you go. It says Hola Neon. I hope I'm not gonna ruin it. The packaging is really cute. And, ooh. What? It's like cracked. Or, no? Is it? Or that's just the line? Okay. So that is a color, and it is really pretty. This is so nice. Okay. So that's it for my Ipsy Plus. And again, this is $25. And the total value of all the products that we have here is $24.64, $112, $157, $177. So the total for all the products in my box is $181. And again, I only paid $25 for the whole box. So how good is that, right? Everything here I can use. So it's perfect. Now I think they listened to my profile because everything here is what I want in my box. So that's good to know. So what do you think of my box? Please let me know. Please leave a comment below. And please don't forget to like if you like the video. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!